Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'll take you through the specification of this printer, Canon G3060. It's an inkjet printer. I bought it for 15,000 through a dealer. Uh, this is actually a ink tank printer. There is a difference between ink tank printer and cartridge based printer. In ink tank printer, it is actually integrated ink system. Means ink is continuously flows from the ink buffer unit, where this is where it is. Okay, from ink buffer unit to the print head, and ink comes separately, print head comes separately in this model. Whereas if you are going for the cartridge based system, a cartridge based printer, initial investment is a bit lesser, so you will get the printer for around 8,000 to 10,000, but it is not cost effective. The ink yield is also very less in cartridge based system, but if you're going for the ink tank printer, the yield per ink bottle is very high. You will get around 6,000 to 7,000 copies per ink tank. Whereas in color it is around 7,000, and black and white is actually, see, you can see that quantity of the blank ink is also very high. So you will get it. You will get a very high number of prints per ink tank. So coming to this model G3060, it is all-in-one printer. In this product category, there are three lineups. One is 1060, 2060, and 3060. The 1060, it's a basic printer. 2060 is all-in-one. Copy, scan, print. You can just you can copy, you can scan, and you can print also. But in 3060, there is one additional feature. You can use you can use it with the Wi-Fi. So you can directly give the print from um, mobile. Okay, means you can use the Wi-Fi network as well. So this comes with this printer comes with a power cable. This printed two print heads and four ink bottles, and there is one set of CDs also they were given. There is one data cable also. USB data cables I have not used it because I'm using directly from the mobile. There is an application called Canon Print Inkjet. There is an application called Canon Print Inkjet. If you download it from the app store, you can directly add this printer and start using it and start giving the print from your mobile. That installation is also very easy. They have given installation manual. You can see like how to install the print heads, how to install the ink tanks, like what are the procedure to be followed. They have given it very easily. Okay, so there is a video link also. If you scan this QR code, you will get the video of that particular steps. It is very easy. Installation is also very easy. Then suppose if you are carrying it for service center, like what are the procedure to be followed, that also they have given here, like how to just pack it, unpack it, and how to load the media, loading paper. uh, there is even, actually, if you are able to follow the pictorial message, it is very easy. No need of even online videos also. Let us power on this printer. As I told you earlier, it is an integrated ink system. uh, Then speed of this printer is 10.8 black prints per minute, and if you want color, it is 6 copies per minute. Actually, whenever the speed is expressed, it is always expressed in terms of A4. Means if it is 6 ppm, means it is a A4 sheets per minute. If it is 10.8, means 10.8 A4 sheets per minute. It is getting ready after powering it on. This is where the scanner is. You can scan it The scanning specification is 600 dpi. Whatever the scanner you buy, which comes along with the printer, this is the maximum dpi you get, irrespective of any brand. Display, they have given a two line LCD display, which could have been better, but the following the screen is also very easy. It is not that difficult also. I'll tell you how to load the printer, how to load the paper. So this is a red tray. This is where you can load the paper. Depending upon the size, paper size, you can adjust the side grids also. So as it is A4, I will just load the A4 and adjust the guides. Okay, so immediately after loading the paper, it gives instruction. So save the rare tray paper information. I say OK. It goes to the next, and it will ask us to select the paper size. So depending upon the paper, so whatever the paper you have loaded, you have to select that. So now it is A4. I'll select A4 only. The different paper sizes are available. Okay, as it is A4, I'll say OK for this paper size. And paper type, as it is plain paper, I say OK. So if you are using the paper photo paper, depending upon the paper type, you have to select the paper type as well. Then say OK, it becomes copy ready. So you can just place the document here. And close it. Then there is output tray here, so we can keep it. Then if you want to make a color copy, you have to press on color button. If you want to make black copy, you have to press on black button. I will make a color copy, so I'll press it on color. Now it started to copy. So now it is making copies. It got scanned. Right. It is as simple as that. Just place a document on the scanner and say copy. You will get the copy. Then to close this, you have to just and so sometimes actually if any paper gets jammed in the head area, like in paper path, I'll just tell you how to open that. Simply you have to lift this. Okay, so you can pull out, suppose if there are any papers here, you can just pull out from this area. To close this, just lift it up and place it. Keep it down very gently. Don't bang it. It falls down. Loading ink is also very easy. It is actually just I'm showing a blank ink bottle. So just you have to open this. Open this. Suppose if ink gets over, again you have to lift it, but ensure that machine is in on condition. And you have to load it in a particular color only, even though it will not accept. Even if it is different color, it will not accept. Just lift this cap. So there are grooves here. You can see that grooves matches with the particular color. Otherwise, it will not. You will not be able to put this yellow color in other color. Okay. So if you keep it, all the ink will get drained into the buffer unit. So then after that, you can pull it, then close the cap. Again, as I told you earlier, just lift it and bring it down. Also, I'll tell you how to remove the maintenance cartridge. Maintenance cartridge is the one actually which which drains all waste ink. Okay, so there are maintenance cartridges actually backside. Okay, there is one screw here. You have to pull this screw. You have to remove this screw. Here it is. And just pull it. So if you want to replace it in future, so you will get it separately. This one you will get it separately. You can see already some ink has been drained here. Okay, so fix it back, then fix this cover, then fix the screw back. That's it. That's all, friends. In this video I showed you how to give the print, and I explained you the specification of this printer. So if you have any doubts, just drop the doubts in the comment section. I'll answer you. Thank you.